Despite your best intentions, you will never achieve the success you are looking for if you never set goals for yourself and your business. Ask yourself, what goals have I written down for myself and my business? Most people never set goals for themselves or their business. One day leads to another and the days continue to disappear without success. How can you get to where you want to be if you never know where you are going? The biggest roadblock to goal setting is you. Setting goals require you actually to write down your dreams and put a date of accomplishment to them. Do not get in the habit of working your business without goals. This leads to apathy and an empty checking account. Goals are the lifeblood of your business. Statistics have proven over and over that small businesses fail within the first 5 years. You do not want to become a statistic, you want to become a success. How do you become successful at setting goals? The first step you should do is to write down your dreams. What dreams do you have for your life and your business? Write them down. When would you like to achieve these dreams? Put a date of accomplishment to your dreams. Get a pad of paper and start writing. Be bold and write them all down. Your dreams are now your goals. You now have goals with deadlines. Your first step is accomplished. Your goals will either be short-term or long-term. In order for your goals to become a reality, you will be required to take steps that will ultimately lead to accomplishment. Look at your list. What actions will you need to take to reach your goals? Write those steps down on your pad of paper. Now you know what to do to achieve your goals. Remember that steps are not huge, but small. Daily steps toward your goals will bring you to the accomplishment of your goals. Armed with your list of goals and the steps required to achieve them, you can now start each day as a challenge to accomplish those goals. Have you ever reached the end of the day exhausted and wondered where your day has gone? You look at your goals and realize that you did not accomplish one step toward them. Time wasters are everywhere. Time wasters have their own agenda, to stop you from achieving your goals. Do not let them win. To achieve your goals you must learn to recognize your time wasters. Keep a log for every hour of your day for an entire month. Write everything down that you do. It is easier if you break your day up into 15-minute increments. Do this for 1 month and you'll be able to identify your time wasters. Use the information to learn how to better use your time. The better you get at effectively using your time, the better you will become at achieving your goals. Review your goals daily and modify them as needed. You should never be without goals. Dream and make goals to reach those dreams. Keep your goals before you. Continue to add goals to your life. Your passion will keep you focused as you accomplish each step toward your goals. Dare to be successful. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.